Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi with angel hair pasta. Shrimp scampi pasta is so simple and delicious. The shrimp is cooked in garlic and lemon butter and tossed with angel hair pasta. It's so flavorful and everyone loves it. So let's get started. Begin by cooking 1 pound of angel hair pasta according to the package instructions. This dish cooks very quickly, so you want to make sure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. I have a little over 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, and we're going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. Over here, we're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat. After the butter is done melting, we're going to mix in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add 8 cloves of minced garlic. I know it seems like a lot of garlic, but you can't have shrimp scampi without garlic, but feel free to add less according to your preference. We're going to saute the garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute, but be careful, garlic burns pretty easily, so we don't want to burn it. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook until cooked through. This won't take long at all, probably around 2 minutes. You'll know when the shrimp is done cooking when it turns pink in color. So yesterday, I finally reached my first 1,000 subscribers on my channel. And I just want to say thank you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys supporting me. And honestly, I'm not the fastest growing channel and it took me a long time to get here, but it's been my absolute pleasure sharing recipes and making videos for you guys. Okay, back to the recipe. We're going to turn off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and zest of 1 lemon. Season the sauce well with salt and pepper. A lot of pasta is going into this dish, so you want to make sure everything is well seasoned. Give everything a stir, and then we're going to add in the angel hair pasta that we made earlier. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley, which gives it a pop of color. Give everything a nice toss so that the noodles are well coated with the sauce. At this point, you want to give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasonings. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more lemon juice just because I love the citrusy flavor. And this is totally optional, but it needs a touch more salt, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle over some garlic salt. Can you tell I love garlic? That's why I love cooking. You can adjust everything according to your taste. You can also drizzle in a little bit more olive oil if desired. I'm going to go ahead and give this a final toss, and it's ready to serve. See how quick and easy it was? I'm going to garnish this with a little bit more fresh chopped parsley and some lemon slices, just to make it pretty. Because we first eat with our eyes, right? Now it's ready to serve. My family was so excited that I was making this. And my son is funny. He eats all the pasta first and saves the shrimp for last, because he says it's the best part. He's just like his mom with the whole delayed gratification. I'm going to add some fresh crushed pepper flakes for some heat, and of course you can't have pasta without some garlic bread. Doesn't this look so delicious? The olive oil and butter and garlic and lemon just makes this pasta so tasty. And here I've got the perfect bite. So yummy, you guys. A try. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.